Hi dear, how are you? Student, you have learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now, I will tell you how to write P. How to write P. P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pigeon, P for pear. Let us start.
P, small p. P for peacock, P for pear, P for parrot, P for pigeon. Okay, P for peacock, P for pear, P for parrot, P for pigeon. Classwork, day 175. Trace and write this small letter P. Okay, let us start how to write P. Student, you have to write from here. Start from here, then go up, come down, then again go up, then move according to tracing. P for parrot, P for pear, P for peacock, P for pigeon, P for parrot, P for pigeon, P for peacock. Watch it carefully and write accordingly. ध्यान से देखना है और इसी के तरीके से लिखना है जैसे मैम आपको बता रही है. P for parrot, P for pigeon, P for pear, P for peacock, P for peacock, P for parrot. Okay? Worksheet. Number 1. Tick the eatables that begin with the letter P. जो ईटेबल आइटम्स है और P से स्टार्ट होती है आपको वहाँ टिक करना है. Look at this picture. It is an apple. It is start from A. ये P से स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा, so we will not tick here. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of pear. It is start from P, so we will tick here. Now look at this picture. It is a picture of sandwich. ये P से start नहीं हो रहा, we will not tick here. Now look at this picture. Pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. It starts from P, so we will tick here. What is this? Pizza. Pizza is also starts from P, so we will tick here. Now look at this picture. Radish. ये P से start नहीं हो रहा, we will not tick here. What is this? Lemon. Lemon is also not start from P, so we will not tick here. Pomegranate. It starts from P, so we will tick here. Papaya. It is also start from P, so we will tick here. Cherry. Cherry C से start होती है, P से नहीं start हो रही, so we will not tick here. Pumpkin. It's a name of vegetable. It start from P, so we will tick here. Now look at this picture. Banana. It is not start from P, so we will not tick here. Number 2. Circle the words that begin with the letter P. जो भी words P से start हो रहे हैं केवल उन्हीं पर ही हम सर्कल करेंगे. Now look at this bird. It starts from P, so we will circle it. Look at this word apple. ये A से start हो रहा है, so we will not circle it. Book B से start हो रहा है, we will not circle it. Pencil P से start हो रहा है, we will circle it. It start from C, we will not circle it. Pig, it starts from P, so we will circle it. It is also start from P, we will circle it. Dog, it start from D, not P, so we will not circle it. Goat, it is also not start from P, so we will not circle it. Deer, we will not circle it because it's D, not P. Hen, it start from H, we will not circle it. Pot, it start from P, we will circle it. Mango, it start from M, we will not circle it. Parrot, it start from P, we will circle it. Pet, it is also starts from P, so we will circle it. Ox, it start from O, so we will not circle it.
Students, now you know very well how to write P. You have to practice this word 3 days. How many days? 3 days. Okay. You have to write carefully, neat and clean. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.